Understand the definition of an empirical formula. An empirical formula represents the simplest, lowest whole number ratio of the elements present in a chemical compound. Assume a convenient sample size. To easily convert the given mass percentages into tangible masses, assume a 100.0 gram sample of the sulfur oxide. Under this assumption, the mass of sulfur, S, is exactly 40.0 grams. The mass of oxygen, O, is exactly 60.0 grams. Convert the mass of each element to moles. Use the average atomic molar masses from the periodic table. For sulfur, molar mass approximately 32.06 grams per mole. Moles of S equals 40.0 grams over 32.06 grams per mole, approximately 1.25 moles S for oxygen. Molar mass approximately 16.00 grams per mole. Moles of O equals 60.0 grams over 16.00 grams per mole equals 3.75 moles. O. Determine the simplest molar ratio. Divide the number of moles of each element by the smallest number of moles calculated. 1.25 moles ratio for S. 1.25 over 1.25 is equal to 1 ratio for O. 3.75 over 1.25 is equal to 3. Write the empirical formula. Because the molar ratio of S to O is exactly 1 to 3, the empirical formula of the sulfur oxide is SO3, which identifies option A as the correct answer. The correct answer is option A, SO3.